up, everyone? We are back at it again. Day 42 of becoming a profitable trader. As you guys can see, today is April 9, Thursday, 2026. So far we actually didn't take any any kind of trade so far. But like I said, I didn't see any like 3 or 4 more Confluence lists to be listed or filled in order for me to take any kind of trades. And today was a high folder news. There was CPI come out neutral, so it didn't affect the trade at all. But final GDP, the actual actually comes out negative, definitely impact the trade once the market opens. So market will actually be open after 30 minutes, so we'll be definitely waiting for that as well. I'll see you guys the next video. I'll give you the Confluence and the reason why I took any kind of trades, whether it's going to be on gold or in NASDAQ. Make sure you stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Order filled. Filled.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's dive in on a trade recap and on the Confluences and the reason why I took this trade on NASDAQ. So first of all, the first Confluence that made me want to take this trade is when we go to the 13-minute, we had this beautiful bullish reversal candle pattern that is presented on the London session. And also we made a SMT on the London session as well, but that was invalid. The SMT have been invalidated on some time because once we made this bearish manipulation pattern, that was so manipulative, guys. This pattern, this right here, this move right here was so manipulative because we actually swept a liquidity, which was this one, and price calmed down with good displacement. And I thought this was gonna be a bear because there's a lot of draws of liquidity, as you guys can see on the downside. We have US low, London low, Asia low as well. But the 30-minute pattern really was it for me. And the other one was when we go to the 5-minute, we actually had a inversion fair value gap. So the gap was presented here. A liquidity have been swept for sure, especially this one. This was a London session that been presented at the same day. We swept this London low. Look at this displacement after we swept it, guys. If you see any kind of displacement after a liquidity sweep, you need to take that trade. It's not going to be manipulation. Okay, so we swept liquidity, boom, displacement, inversing fair value gap. I waited for retracement and boom, we entered the trade, targeting the draws of liquidity to the upside, which we actually banged this trade. So guys, this is the Confluence and the reason why I took this trade. If you want for me to teach you my strategy on every trade that I took, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and you can email me as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.